Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my Christmas related diamond painting kit stash. And all of these kits are from American based company Make Market that is affiliated with Michaels stores, and you can purchase these kits from Michaels only. So all these kits were purchased throughout 2020-2023, all of them from the same company, even this one. I will elaborate on this later, but let's do it one by one. So if you follow my channel, you already saw the unboxing of all these kits. What I like about this company is that you can see the real photo of a completed kit, a post review, so to say. And that's how you can understand whether you like the finished diamond painting or not, and if it's worth purchasing for you or not. I'm not going to unbox every single kit today because, again, if you want to see the unboxing of each of them, you can find an unboxing video on my channel. Here I just will show you the stash and give you a short summary on each of the kit. So the name of this kit is Tree Forest. The specifications are very similar, almost identical to all of them. The size is 16 by 20 inches or 40 by 50 centimeters. All of them are full round drill diamond painting kits in the size of 16 by 20 inches. The only difference is in the quantity of the colors. So this kit contains 31 colors, and that's how it looks. I really love it. It is very neutral. It is winter related, so it can be given away as a gift to anyone, actually. Very nice. The next one is my most favorite one. It reminds me of my childhood. When I was a child, I spent all my vacations from school at my grandma's house. She lived in a village, and her house looked kind of like this, and all the houses in this village looked very similar. So every time I look at this picture, I remember my childhood. Here is the completed image. The name of this kit is Forest House, and I'm planning on replacing a few colors, specifically a white one with AB diamonds, and I will also enhance this kit with crystals by replacing the resin drills here in the windows with the crystals. So all these kits are pretty cheap. As you can see, the prices, if we round it up, $15 US, $22 Canadian, and very often they are on sale. I purchased all of them on sale for $7 to $10. At least these 5 were $10 for sure. Now the next one is Santa. Very festive kit. Santa with a cookie and a glass of milk. So this kit comes with 33 colors. That's how it looks completed. I really love it. And I was planning to replace resin drills here on the lights with the crystals, again to show the illusion of light. The next kit is this one. The name of this kit is Night Sky, and it contains the list of the colors. In comparison to other kits, only 18. So it's actually a really nice kit to rest in between the bigger kits or in between the kits that have a lot of colors. That's how it looks. All of them are really very nice, very well rendered, very detailed. Again, you see the completed images, the photos of the completed kits. Look how detailed they are. The resolution is perfect, especially for the size. Do not forget, 40 by 50 centimeters. It's not such a big size. yet detalization is perfect. The next one is fireplace. Very cozy. I feel warm just by looking at this kit, by looking at this image. The fireplace is very realistic. Here it is, a 16 by 20 inches fireplace, and here it actually looks a little bit brighter than on the front, which I like. And this kit contains 43 colors, a lot of colors. By the way, if you like any of these kits, at least these, how many? 5 are still available at Michael's. These are this year's kits, 2023 kits. And just keep in mind that Make Market comes up with new designs every year. Yes, they do transfer some designs that were popular a year before, but not all of them, maybe like 1 or 2 designs. So all the rest are new. And there is a big chance that next year they might not carry over some of the designs from this year. So if you like something, better buy it. Better be safe or sorry, because you never know if they're going to have these designs next year. So this is also Make Market, but I bought it I think 2 or 3 years ago, and back then this company's name was Art Minds. This is a gingerbread house. It has 31 colors. I also have a video unboxing on my channel like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't remember when exactly. I cannot say that I'm a fan of this design. It is cute, but I wish that the colors were a little bit brighter. I'm not a fan of gray color. I wish it was more white maybe, and the Christmas trees maybe I wish they were like green, but it is a really nice design. So, and this is an exclusive design at this point because I bought it 2 or 3 years ago, and I haven't seen it since then. These 3 kits were purchased last year in 2022. So I believe I saw this design this year, but I'm not 100% sure. These designs are no longer available. So this is Santa. I like how they actually packaged it last year more, because here you can see how many colors. The kit contains 32 colors. The name of the design is also Santa. The detalization is amazing again. Look at that. I can see the face of Santa. Very beautiful. The next one is nutcrackers. I'm also very impressed with the detalization of it. Look at the nutcracker. You can see every single detail on it. By the way, these company kits do not come with AB diamonds. They haven't come with AB diamonds. But this year, I had only 2 kits that came with AB diamonds. This kit, my favorite one, like if you look here at the preview, you can see the white AB diamonds. And there was another kit, I don't remember which one, that also contained white ABs. I think I already diamond painted it. I have a lot of post reviews on this company. I'm really very impressed with the quality of everything, starting from the canvas and ending the detalization. And for me, detalization is really very important. One of the most important criteria of all. Especially taking into consideration the size, which is not that big. So nutcrackers, 30 colors, and the last one is the horse, 30 colors, and the horse looks like it is live, as if it is a photo, especially over here in a bigger version. Very natural. And as you can see, throughout the years, the prices haven't changed. Let's say 2 years ago, a year ago, this year, the prices are the same. And again, now, as far as I know, they are on sale $10. After Christmas, they will be $7. But this is in case if the designs are still available. Sometimes they're not. They are $7, but they're no longer available. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas stash, and see you soon.